Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I am Mahfuzur Rahman, lecturer, Department of ICT. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home and you continue your regular study what we give you at our regular lesson plan, and obviously you follow our WhatsApp group's instruction.
Okay, so first of all, we have to see the create command and insert commands basic syntaxes. In create command basic syntaxes, what we have, we can write create table here. You see the create table, the command will be written in the capital form, create table. Then you have to initiate the table name. Then you have to write down the column's name or field name, as well as you can say the field name 1. Then you have to initiate the table data type. Then you have to show again you have to mention the second table name, second field name. Then you have to give the table field names data type according to it. Then you can initiate field name 3. Then you can just write down the data type of field name 3. Then after that I will show you that you can add field name number n. Then it was n numbers of field you can add here. That means it's unlimited. You have no limits and boundary how many field name you gonna add or data type you can initiate. It's up to you. Then you have to just open up with a first bracket, and you have to conclusion up with a say first bracket close. Then you have to just hit the semicolon to finish up the create command. And one thing, please don't forget, you have to give a clone after each data type except the last data type. You don't have to put any clone here. The all data type you have to put clone. You see the first field name, then data type, then clone. You have followed by. This is the process you have to follow for create command. Then in insert command you have the syntax insert into the command. You see I am writing here, it's a capital form. Then you have to initiate the table name. Then you have to just put down the field name, whatever the field name you initiate here, all those field name you have to put down here again. Field name 1, 2 up to field name n, whatever how many field name you already insert already create in you use in create command, those field name you have to use again here. Then first bracket close. Then you have to initiate another command like values. Then you will again you have to initiate first bracket. Then you have to put those records like value 1, 2, 3 up to n types of value you're gonna add here. Then you can just simply close it with the first bracket close. Then you have to write down semicolon. So these are the basics for insert command. Now I welcome you all to my next part of the video, to my laptop screen, to show how we're going to do all this all this command in Microsoft Access 2016. Okay, so welcome you all to my laptop screen. I'm showing you how to create a database. Hit on start menu, then I will go for Access 2016. You see blank desktop database I have to create. Then I will hit blank desktop database. Then this window will come. In this window you have to just mention the file name, employee DB, what I choose to create a database. Then I will hit create tab. And you see this window will come to your screen. Then file home, then I will hit on fields. Now I am hitting on home, then create tab. I will close query design. Then I will have to go for SQL view. In this view, in SQL view, it will just make sure it's this window. You have to just write down the command here, like what I show you first. Create command I will show you first. You see I am going to write create table. The spelling will be capital form. You know I already mentioned you the create table. The lesson will be spelling will be in the capital form. Then I will write first bracket. Then I will just initiate the field name ID. Then the data type of ID. This one will be auto increment. You see, because ID, the data type will be the ID for auto number. So I select auto increment for ID. The number will be automatically inserted. I don't have to write it, and I make sure the ID will be the primary key. This one will be the unique. After that I will hit name. Its data type will be text. Then I wrote joining date, joining underscore date, and this data type will be date time. So I'm just make sure date time I write down here for data type. Then designation for next column. So designation data type will be text. After that I will mention clone every data type and field name. After that I write age, number. Then this one will be the last field, so I don't have to put clone here. Then I finish first bracket and semicolon. So this is the what I show you before. Now I'm just click on run. This will just, you see, a new table, employee named table already clicked here. You see, I'm just double click here and I will show you the table. You see, the table creation is done. You see the ID, name, joining date, designation, age. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 field already created here. You can add multiple here into click to add or anything. After that, I will show you how to insert some sorts of values or records in this table. So you see ID, name, joining date, designation and age, all this field name you have to just put on yourself very carefully. Again I hit query design, this table will occur, I will close it, I am going to SQL view. Now I am going to write insert command to insert some values or some record to employee table. So command will be inserted into employee, then first bracket will have to give, then you have to mention the name, ID we don't have to because it will be auto incremented, name, comma, then what we have after that, name. Please try to remember what we have, name, then joining date. After that we have designation, yes, designation we have, and after that we have age. So these are the columns or these are the fields that we have. Then I will finish first bracket. Then I have to write down values. It will be in capital form, values. Then I have to put it on first bracket again. Then I have to mention the record what I want to insert with double clone. In single clone or double clone you can use in the string side of data. Just you have to put down single clone. I am going to use it here like Javed Ahmed. I will wrote, this is the example what you have already at your book in Mahbub Rahman Sir's book. I am just picking up the example from here. Then I will insert some random data like joining date 1, 3, any date you can pick, 2009 I pick here for an example. Then again it's a clone. Then you have to use a record. Next record will be designation like manager you can write or anything you can write. And after that age will be, I am just including 45. Then you see I am just closing the first bracket. Then I have to obviously give semicolon here to finish up my insert command. At just finishing touch of your SQL command, all time you have to put down this semicolon sign. Don't forget to give it. Now I am just have to make it run. Just click it on run. You see the message here. You are about to append one query. Then you see in employee table I have to close it and again I have to open it. You see my data are already shown here. So these are the simpler step how you're gonna create a table and insert some data or record as well as you can say at your respected tables. So please do it at your home by using your laptop or computer if you wanna just practice, or if you feel free any problem then you can simply just ask us. So you can change any data in the single clone, like Tarek. I'm gonna write here again Tarek Ahmed. Now I'm going to change the joining date like 10. Then what I can do, anything 12. Then year I can change 2015. Then I will change the designation. So it will be what? Think anything you can write here for practice. Executive. Then I will change the age. So last age, this one will be maybe 25. Okay. Now I'm going to just append this record. Simply run. I have to click on run tab. Then again you are about to append one rows. You have to click yes. Then you will see in the employee table I have to close it and double click on employee. You will see again this record will open. So this way you can add multiple sorts of data, any sorts of data, whatever you want to you want to just add that. You have to just simply follow this process. You can simply follow this process so that you can add multiple sorts of data by using SQL command in Microsoft Access 2016. So these are the process what you have to follow. Simply you have to just follow the SQL commands rules, regulations. I hope you understand my today's videos and lectures. If you have any confusion or question, please do it at our WhatsApp group, and you can feel free to comment at my videos comment section. Again and again I want to tell you a simple thing. Please stay at home for your and your family safety. Allah Hafiz. This is Mahfuzur Rahman from Milestone College ICT department.